Hi everyone. Today I want to show you how to remove this FSA GOSSAMER crank, self-extracting crank. So usually we get to see to open Shimano cranks, Shimano 105, Sora, Claris, Ultegra, but FSA has a different style of removing their crankset. So today let's see how to remove this crank. So if you just see, this is the outer cage of the crank. Should never touch this or never open this one. So if you open this, you will never be able to extract the crank. So this is a kind of a plate which holds the crank, and all we need is a 10 mm Allen. So let's begin how to open this. So all you need to do is insert this 10 mm. So insert the 10 mm and hold the other side of the crank, and you should do it anti-clockwise. Anti-clockwise is this. This is anti-clockwise. If you keep spinning anti-clockwise, the crank will extract itself. So if you could see the shake, and so exactly the way. So this comes with the FSA BB, and sometimes sometimes the crank extracts on the non-drive side also. So this one opened on the drive side, but sometimes you will have this side. So you will have the same setup this side, and the crank will open from non-drive side, and the whole crank will come out. So this is the method to open FSA cranks. Quite interesting, isn't it? Thank you.